For April 2026, there are financial decisions you either make now or you lose completely. No, there are no second chances. Now, right now, you make the decision now or you lose them completely. Now let's jump straight into it. But before that, I'm enjoying the weather. It's a beautiful day out. I thought it was gonna be freezing, but I think it's a little bit normal. Though it is windy. But hey, it's another day. Let's jump straight into it. So number one, your ISAs. You need to make sure you are maxing out on your ISAs. Every year you're entitled to £20,000. I'm not sure if you've ever thought of this or increased to this max, but you are entitled to this. £20,000 is yours. And if you're not doing this, at least put 500 in there, drop in £1,000, drop in £100, £50, put in something just so we can save a little bit on taxes and we can also increase our financial power, our financial wealth. You may be asking, how? Where do I put this? In your stocks and shares ISA. I'm not talking about your cash ISA. In the stocks and shares ISA. The stock market currently is on sale. So take the opportunity whilst it lasts because it's not going to be permanent. In 2020, we saw that during COVID. We saw the crash that took place. It's not permanent. Nothing on the stock market is permanent. But see, you lose out if you don't take the opportunity. And so for us to save on taxes, save on these allowances that the state is giving us, increase, max it if you can, or better still, put in something. Serious people do not wait on perfect timing. They just secure the allowance. They secure the opportunity. And so if you're waiting for the best timing, I'm sorry, you'll be delayed. If you had a side income and you ignore it, fix it right now. If you had any income that you are not aware of, make sure you're tracking all of this. And if you overpaid on anything, make sure you are also tracking this. And if you are entitled to any tax rebates, make sure you are claiming them. They are your entitlements. They are yours. Do not leave them on the table. Before I move on, let me know what you think about me shooting outdoor. I mean, I've never done this. This is the first time I'm shooting outdoor, and so I'm excited. I don't know what you see, but hopefully it's something you like. I mean, the green is behind us. I love green. You can see what I'm wearing, and I love black as well. But then, hey, just by the way, just drop in the comment if you want me to be shooting outdoor more often. The weather is getting better. It's getting a bit clearer. It's a bit cold, windy, but hey, let's roll. Okay, so number two, we want to cut financial noise. These are your numbers. These are your figures. No one is coming to save you. You are in charge. This is your little quarters. This is where you are the CEO of your life. You know what your reality and your truth is. No one is coming in to say, hey, do that, do that. You ensure you cut all the noise. What didn't work last year is not going to work this year anyway. So if you did something last year financially and it did not work, what makes you think repeating that cycle is going to work? Review all your spending. Ensure you are in control of all of these and cut down the noise to things like subscriptions, money habits that actually makes no sense. No, if it didn't make sense, it will still not make sense. Let it go. Declutter. Set it all out, put a cross on it, cancel them, and let's move on. See, this year we build them intentionally and we build them with clarity and with purpose. And so we are leaving no stone unturned. This is the year of financial growth. And with YAT Finance, you got this free of charge. Also, random investment, money habits that actually did not make any sense. You know yourself. You understand your life. You know the things you commit yourself to. Review all of these spendings, and especially with investments that makes no sense. You have an investment in crypto, you do not know what kind of crypto it is, you don't know what kind of platform you are using, you don't understand. You need a bit of a readjustment. Review your income, check what needs declaring, and then check what you can also bargain, what you are entitled to. Are you entitled to any tax rebate? Well, that is your entitlement. Go for it. Don't leave any money on the table and do not assume it is right. It is not right until it is checked. And so all of this needs to be reviewed. Financially, this is what I do. You may say, well, because of who you are, whatever it is. No, it's an intentional game. You need to be intentional when it comes to your finances. No one is saving you on this. And so please, if you haven't reviewed all of this, an opportunity for you to do this before the 5th of April. Number 4 is pensions. Are you leaving free money on the table? Let me ask you this. Are you maximizing your employer contributions? Because if you are not, you are leaving free money on the table. And say, okay, no, I am not maximizing. But then how about your own SIPP? I'm talking about your SIP. because you can have a self-funded pension for yourself, and your employer bid can also be ongoing whilst you roll in your SIPP. Also, there's something that I say to people. You need to review where your employers are or where your pension, your money is being invested. Yes, this is something people do not talk about. If you review where your monies are being invested and the investment return out of it is nothing to write home about, then please, you have your own right. You have that right to move that. But do not do this without speaking to a financial advisor. Don't do this without speaking to an expert, someone who has done this, someone who knows how this must be done. Send that email, yatfinance25@gmail.com. This is how you do it. You can review your pension. And if the investment is not doing well, it's not going well, if you check and do the compounding and the numbers are not actually marginalizing, then please, you want to take a second decision. Another way, you can allow however it flow, but then commit yourself to another personal and a private pension where you control the narrative. Once again, a financial advisor. Number 5, your money should be working right now. I mean now. You need to review every savings account that you own. Wherever you have a dollar, a pound, whichever currency you use in your country, you need to ensure you are reviewing these accounts. If you have monies in a savings pot, and this pot is giving you 1.2, 1.8, it's about time you move. There are other better accounts that should be giving you between 4 to 5%. APR. And this is a no-brainer. Take advantage of this. That is why I'm talking about the financial reset before the 5th of April. These are the things you want to ensure you are doing. Review these accounts, and if they are not, the returns coming are not actually anything to write home about, then please move. It is your right. Do not feel guilty about this. And see, let me tell you, when it comes to finances, do not be emotional. Do not have that personal attachment. I tell you personally, the only account I leave on hold is Nationwide account, and that is a current account. That is the only account I do not touch. And do you know why? It's because every year Nationwide gives me £150 for free. Last year I got it, and this year they've already released a publication on this, and it's going to come out for free. That is the only account, but it's a current account. Number 6, reset your numbers, not your wishes. April is a time for adjustment because every department is resetting. Those entitled to pay increment are taking place from this time onwards. And so should that be with you. You know what your numbers are. We are not going to be emotional with this. We're going to be actually factual with these decisions. And so in our season of reset, we want to ensure, set your monthly investment. Set your monthly outgoings. Control every little bit that comes to your department. All of this needs a reorganization. Decide on your financial focus. Not, I will try to do this. No, fix it. I am investing £300 every month. Make this a factual and a lifestyle. If drinking water is normal and is standardized and is a lifestyle because you need it, then make your investment, treat it the same way as you do with your daily activities. Most people will watch this and they will still do nothing. Be part of that 1% who will watch this and review everything financially concerning you, concerning your children, concerning your marriage, concerning your businesses. Ensure you're reviewing all of these before the 5th of April. People have lost allowances, missed opportunities because they did not review this. They stay exactly where they were. See, you have been staying there for years. Is it working? It is not. And so every little move we make now onwards puts us ahead of others, ahead of societal norms, ahead of standards. See, to do well in life, you do things above normality. You move up the scale a little bit above normal behaviors. And so doing things when you actually do not wish like doing things when you feel like, no, why am I putting £500 in the stocks and shares? When I could be buying this bag, I could be buying that perfume, buying that car, whatever it is. But you see, when you let go that noise, this is where you capitalize and you rise to the next. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, by all means do. And if you want to see me outdoor, let me know. Put it in that comment. Once again, this is YAT Finance. God bless you. Be good. Take these wise decisions. And I will see you in the next. Stay blessed.